So, good evening students. I am Professor P.B. Ingde. So students, today we have to start or discuss the new syllabus of physics. New syllabus of physics. New syllabus of physics 12th class 2020 to 2021 of Maharashtra boards. Okay, so this is our titles. New syllabus of physics 12th class, the academic year 2022-21 of Maharashtra boards. So students, in new syllabus, it consists of total 6 units. So what is it consists of? It consists of 6 units. How many units? 6 units, and total 16 chapters. How many chapters? There are total 16 chapters. Okay. So it consists of 6 units, and this 6 unit bifurcated is unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, unit number 4, unit number 5, and unit number 6. Yes or no? Yes. Unit first, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6. Unit 1 consists of 2 chapters. What is the name? Rotational motion and mechanical properties of fluids. So unit 1 consists of rotational motion and mechanical properties of fluids. Okay, this is the content of unit number first, right? Second unit consists of kinetic theory of gas and thermodynamics. This is the content of unit number 2. Third unit, oscillations and waves. This is the third unit. Unit number 4, electrostatics and electric current. Okay, this is unit number 4. Unit number 5, magnetism. Okay, and unit number 6, last, modern physics. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the last unit number 6, modern physics. So guys, how many unit total? Total are 6 unit. Unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, unit number 4, unit number 5, and unit number 6. Unit 1, what is the syllabus? Rotational motion and mechanical properties of fluids. Then second unit, kinetic theory of gas and thermodynamics. Third, oscillations and waves. Unit number 4, electrostatics and electric currents. Unit number fifth magnetism, and last unit modern physics. Okay, so this is the combination of a syllabus, new syllabus for the academic starting from 2020. Which board? Maharashtra boards. And total how many chapters consist of? It consists of total 16 chapters. Okay, so today we have to start the unit number first. And what is the name of this unit? The unit is rotational motion and mechanical property of a fluids. Okay guys, so write down this fast. So write down the unit number first. So what is the unit number first? The unit number first is rotational motion and mechanical properties of fluids. So unit number first consists of how many chapters? It consists of the two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, so what is the name of the chapter 1? So write down the name of the chapter 1 is rotational dynamics. This is the first chapter of physics 12th class. What is the name? Rotational dynamics. So students, before starting this rotational dynamics, okay, first you understand some concept. Okay, this is my first lecture, and we have conduct suppose 4 or 5 lecture only on concept of rotational dynamics. We does not start the new syllabus directly. We not directly start the chapter. Before discussing these chapters, we will understand the concept. What is the concept behind the chapter number first, rotational dynamics? And I hope all this concept definitely you all the student learn in 11th standards. But also I will repeat this concept for 4 or 5 lectures. Then after that we have to start our main contents of first chapters, rotational dynamics. Okay, so see boys here, girls and boys, first of all I write down the definition of mechanics. Why I am write down the name of the mechanics? Because this rotational dynamics, this word come from this word mechanics, right? So first of all we have to discuss the concept of mechanics. What is the meaning of mechanics? So what is the meaning of mechanics? So see here, I am write down the definition. The mechanics, it is a branch. It is a branch of physics. It is a branch of physics which deals the study of rest body and motion body. Is called as mechanics. Simple definition I am write down here. What is the definition? The mechanics, it is a branch of physics. It is a branch of physics which deals the study of rest body and another is a motion body. That is called as the simple mechanics. Okay, very simple. I write down this classification here is also in these portions. The mechanics. the mechanics. Yes or no? Yes, first portion. Now students, this mechanics is classified into the two types. One is the statics mechanics and another is a dynamic mechanics. Yes or no? Yes, listen very carefully what is I am saying. This mechanics is classified into the two types. One is the statics and another is a dynamics. Okay, so I am writing here the mechanics is classified into the two types. One is the statics, another is a dynamics. Okay, this is the two classification. What is statics and dynamics? Now boys, this dynamics further classified into the two types. This dynamics is classified into the two types. What is this? This is this classifications. What is kinematics, and this is the kinetics. This is the two classification. Dynamics having two types, kinematics, another is a kinetics. What is the classification? Mechanics is classified into the two types, statics, another is a dynamics. Dynamics further classified into two types, kinematics and second is kinetics. Okay boys, so see here. So first we learn the definition. What is mechanics? It is a branch of physics which deals the study of rest body and motion body. So in our chapter 1 of 12th standard, what is the name? The name is rotational dynamics. Means rotational dynamics, we have to learn the which body? We have to learn the what is motion body. Exact. What is motion? So see here boys, I have done the two definition. This first is statics. So statics definition. So statics mechanics is defined as it is a study of rest body. It is a study of rest body and which forces acting on it is called as statics mechanics. Yes or no? Yes. Simple definitions. Once again I repeat. Static mechanics is defined as it is a study of rest body. Rest means stationary. Rest means in stop conditions. Okay. Suppose we have to consider this duster. Suppose imagine, and this duster is the rest positions. Right. So this is the meaning of statics mechanics. Okay. Static mechanics is defined as it is a study of rest body and which forces acting on it is called as statics mechanics. So on this body, whatever the forces acts in on directions, upward, downward, sideward or this side, whatever the forces acting on it, this all concept will be learned in statics mechanics. But the static mechanics is not the part of our 12th standard syllabus. Then another definition, most important, dynamics. Okay, so dynamics, what is? Dynamics mechanics is defined as it is a study of motion body, study of motion body, and which causes of forces for motion, and which causes of forces of motion acting on motion body. Motion body is called as mechanics, is called as dynamics. Right, students? So once again I repeat, dynamics mechanics is defined as it is a study of motion body. Which body we have to consider here? Motion. The body is moved from one place to another. Okay. And another is which causes of forces for motion acting on a motion body. Means whatever the forces which act on this motion body, these forces we have to learn in a dynamics. Right? Means what is the student in dynamics? In a dynamics, always consider a motion body. Which body we have to consider for here? Motions. In dynamics, always consider a motion body. In statics, what is we consider always a rest body. Okay. So this dynamics is also classified into two types, kinematics and kinetics. So what is the meaning of kinematics and what is the meaning of kinetics? So I am write down the first definition of this kinematics. Okay. So kinematics is definition, very simple definition. Okay. So what is kinematics? Kinematics is defined as it is a study of motion body without considering, without this important, without consider the cause of motion, without considering the cause of motions. This is the definition of kinematics. Simple definition. Kinematics is defined as it is a study of which body? Motion, but without considering the cause of motion. Means we can't consider what is the cause. Cause means reason. Why this body is moved from one place to another, we can't consider. We just consider the study of motion body there. Okay. But our second definition is kinetics. Kinetics definitions. Kinetics. So simple definition also. Kinetics is defined as it is a study of motion body. It is a study of motion body with consider the cause of motion. Please consider the cause of motion is called as kinetics. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the simply I classify the mechanics. What is the classification? Statics, dynamics. Dynamics classify the kinematics and kinetics. Okay. Then first of all we write down the definition of mechanics, then statics, then dynamics. Okay. Then we write down the definition of the kinematics and kinetics. Okay, boys. Now, so if you consider this kinematics, So in kinematics, we have to consider the force, we have to consider the displacement, we have to consider the velocity, and we have to consider the accelerations. What type of the parameter we have to consider here? We have to consider here the force, then velocity, then acceleration, then what is displacement. All things we have to learn. In kinetics, what is we consider? In kinetics, we consider the rotational motion, torque, yes or no? Yes, forces, or etc. So these are the points we have to learn in which section in kinetics, right? So this is the brief description about the simple concept for mechanics, statics, dynamics, kinematics and kinetics. Okay boys, now we have to consider the dynamics. The dynamics, it is the part of our syllabus, right? Which part our syllabus? The dynamics, it is a part of our syllabus. What is our chapter name? The chapter name first is rotational dynamics. Okay, so I explain the more detailed concept for this dynamics. So this dynamics, also consider this dynamics classify into the also two types. Here are same, these are also. One is the linear dynamics, and one is the what is? Yes, correct. That is the rotational dynamics. What is this dynamics? We consider linear dynamics, then we consider the what is rotational dynamics. So boys, what is the name of our chapters? Our name of the chapter is what is? Rotational dynamics. The name of the chapter is rotational dynamics. So now the time I have to write down the definition of rotational dynamics. So see here. So I use this all portion. So see boys here, the definition of rotational dynamics. Our chapter name is rotational dynamics. So what is the definition? Rotational dynamics. Right? So I am writing here, look at here, rotational dynamics is defined as the body moves along the circumference of a circle, along the circumference of a circle, comma, a body moves along the curve path, and the body rotates about about its own axis is called as rotational dynamics. Yes or no? Yes. Simple definition I have to make here and write down on the boards, right? What is the definition? Rotational dynamics is defined as the body moves along the circumference of a circle. This is the first concept. Second concept, the body moves along the curve path. And third concept, the body rotates about its own axis, is called as rotational dynamics. Do you understand the students? Right? मतलब मैंने डेफिनेशन क्या लिखी है रोटेशनल डायनामिक्स की? रोटेशनल डायनामिक्स की डेफिनेशन इस तरह लिखी है कि रोटेशनल डायनामिक्स बोले तो ऐसी बॉडी जो सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल के अराउंड में रोटेट होंगी. सेकंड, वो जो बॉडी है इट रोटेट्स अलोंग द कर्व पाथ. एंड लास्टली द बॉडी, वो जो बॉडी है वो खुद के ही एक्सिस पे रोटेट्स होंगी. दिस ऑल combination is called as rotational dynamics. Yes or no? Yes. So I think you are to getting the some conclusion. So see here, first point I am consider here, rotational dynamics. Rotational dynamics, it is